Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a blank line in Google Docs. First, click on Insert, then click on Table and create a table with two cells. In the first cell, type the name, then resize the cell to make it smaller for the name and adjust the second cell for the blank line. You are now working inside a table. Next, remove the table outline. Go to Format, then Table and click on Table option. Under the color option, change the table border to 0 and now the table will no longer be visible. When you are in the right cell of the table, click on the small arrow and select Underline. The menu at the top will change and you can adjust the line thickness such as 1/5 or change the style to dotted or dashed if you wish. You can also drag the line further to adjust its length. And there you have it, your name with a blank line. You can also type whatever you want above the line. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.